Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the clamping clip from the turbo air intake duct. Then move it aside slightly. Remove the air inlet conduit from the air intake at the grill. To do this, press the locking tabs and pull. Unplug the connector on the airflow meter. To do this, pull on the red tab, then pull on the connector.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the airbox flange. Then remove the cover. To remove the air filter, press the locking tabs and pull. Take the new filter. Put the new filter in position. You will hear the click that says it has been locked into place. Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. Put the flange back on. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Put the air inlet conduit back in the airbox. Reinstall the inlet duct. And then reattach the duct clamp. Plug the connector back on the airflow meter. Clip the sleeve back onto its holder. Operation completed.